Hi gentlemen, today I'm just going to be reviewing my new set of shears compared to my old ones. Excuse me, folks. Pardon me. This is the first set, both from wool claws. The one on the bench there was purchased probably 10-12 years ago. All I do with this is give it a sharpen every year, but it started walking a little bit like it does eventually. You're going around the edge, you get done with stones. I got these for £13, as you can see, basically exactly the same, except these are telescopic, these ones. They're £13, and I'm dead chuffed with them. So what we'll do is I'm going to show you how they work, give them a go around the edge of the lawn and see how we're doing for £13. So yeah, let's extend them first. All you've got to do to extend them, press the button there and press it back in and it should lock. Like so. You can see that. Just cut down the edge there. I'll just show you. We're cutting down this edge here. If I can just get it set up properly, folks. Like so. There we go, that's just about that one done. As you can see, done a cracking job down there, and then also cut up the top there. So yeah, for these, for £13 will cause extendable grass edging shears. Can't recommend them enough. If you've got any questions about anything at all in my garden or greenhouse, please don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like videos, please subscribe. And as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.